If your camera suddenly looks like a dentist light, similar to what you see, on the screen here, you've come to the right place for a solution. So I bought the camera new, set it up, and everything looks good. Suddenly at night, that is what I saw there. Then I started looking around for solution. The solution is quite simple. Click the camera setting icon. Click video and display. Click night mode settings. Finally, turn the night boost off. Your camera should go from looking like this to this. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.